doesn't actually say. There's two holes. There's two holes there. There's two holes, and it doesn't actually say which hole they go into. You're just guessing. You're just kind of guessing. So I'm going to guess the top one. Just for the benefit of the camera, so you need to make sure that this is clear of the circle, so make sure you can see an even amount of the orange. Can you see that needs to be evenly spread across? It looks to be fine. Can you get to the button? Nice bit of space there, so like it is kind of tight for my finger. And that is touching my finger now as well. So it's a little bit tight when you're. It's a little bit tight when you're holding in here. Like I can't get my finger in, and I don't have big hands. If I bring this back, flush. What's that going to be like? Yeah, when it's flush like that. When it's flush like that, you can't get to the button. Very difficult to get to the button. Like there's a plate here. There, it sits against the camera. And then there's another plate in here as well. It sits up against the camera. So maybe it is designed to be flush to the camera, but they haven't given much room for the camera release. So I'd have to use my pinky to get in. So if you're holding, that's how you'd be holding the camera. What's that for? I don't know what this is for. That's I do like that you can pull that out and change it. So crank it, pull it out, pull it back again, crank it some more, pull it out, keep going, and then move it out of the way. But you can still see the nut. Is that it? That seems to be it. So moment of truth. And there you go. This must be for something. Must be like for a handle, because it is Falcon. I don't know what a Falcam or Falcam 38 is. Never heard of it before. That's nice that it's just there and that's it, locked in place. It's nice. This is pretty cool. I like this. I like this a lot now. This is pretty damn cool. And you have this one. Nice. Like that a lot now.